Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are out there staying safe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful black leather ottoman slash table or a footstool. You can make it whatever you desire to make it. So I got some black leather from Joann's Fabric. I also purchased the filler over there on the left side from Walmart, and the staple gun I had already. You're gonna need some scissors, you're gonna need some tape, and you're gonna need some E6000 glue. I used that instead of the hot glue. It worked much better. So here's the box. I bought a grill, and I had this big box, which I was inspired by my daughter. I'll leave the link down below on her page. But she inspired me to try to make me something out of a box. So here it is. I don't know the size of the box. I actually didn't even know when I went to Joann Fabric to get the leather to go over it. I just went and found something in the store about the size of it and estimated it. So I had some other boxes, and some of the boxes that came with the grill I kept too. So I just filled in the space to try to make it snug so it would be nice and firm. I'm not saying set a TV or something or sit on it or nothing like that. It's just a little table, or you can put it strong enough to put your feet on. I also got some thin filler. I wish I would have got a thicker filler so it would have been more softer and had a little bit more feel to it, but it's nice, you know, it's soft, it feels nice, it's pretty sturdy too. So I'm gonna fill the box in. I placed them like a puzzle inside so it would balance, and like I said, it was pretty sturdy. Those 3 pieces came in the grill box. I just used those to prop on top of them to make it a little more firmer too, because it was like another inch or so away from the rim. So these right here help me level out, so as I close it, it will be, you know, still tight and firm. And here's the E6000 glue that I'm using just to keep it in place, so when it does dry, it doesn't move around, because I'm going to turn it upside down and start from the other side anyways. This is the bottom. So now I'm going to tape the box closed and get a good grip on the box. You know, you want to keep the box nice and tight. So pull the box together so you get a good seal. Then come along on the sides and do the same thing. Keep the box nice and tight and snugged. Alright, so now we've got it nice and taped and snugged. So now we can turn this baby over and start the fun stuff. See, it's nice and firm. And this is what I wish I would have got, a little thicker. I didn't think it would be this thin, but yeah, it's thin. But it still felt pretty good. It wasn't as thick. I would say get thicker the next if you're gonna do it, so you have more of a soft feel. But you know, it was my first try. So you're gonna cut the sides of it, and it's just like really wrapping presents. It literally felt like I just was wrapping a big present. Now, I like the way I finished this side and closed it in. And that looks very nice. On the other hand, I don't know why I cut this side down, but I did. But it's still folded in right, but I don't know what I was thinking. So I chose to staple it down. That worked pretty good. Now here's the leather that I didn't measure, guys. I promise I didn't. I just eyed it. You know, I found something, and I mean, if you're crafty, you'll have an eye. You'll know enough what you got enough for it. So, and I just wrapped it like a Christmas present, literally. And with the E6000 glue, I glued it down. You're gonna need something to sit on top of it to hold it down. You have to let it set. So, I mean, the project takes a good day to let it dry. I also stapled the sides a little bit. You can't see it. I disguised it, and I also glued it. And I sat this upside down and glued it, stapled, and I turned it on the other side and let it set. So you need to let it set in order to dry. So place some objects on top of it. Do what you need to do to put weight on it. But fold it like a Christmas present. Like you're wrapping a big present, but wrapping it with leather. So after you let the boxes sit and dry for a couple hours, I decided to add some rhinestones on it to make it a little bit more blingy and to add some features to it. You can put a glass mirror on top. You can do all different types of things. Be creative with it and have fun with it. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. So here it is. Bam! How you like that? I love it. And I added a little, glass on top just to let you know different things you can do with it. Some people may have kids. Glass may be out of the question. I will also be showing you in another DIY how I decorate champagne bottles and liquor bottles, as well as this other piece that I have on top of the table is going to be a wall decoration that I got off another young lady's page. And I wanted more bling, so I added more. I really enjoy making this. I enjoy challenging myself, and I love being creative. And you guys, thanks for watching. This is another DIY I'll be showing you guys soon to come. My floating mirrors. And always like, share, and subscribe.